Hey everyone, welcome back to Shug Alan's Travel Channel. Today we just stepped off Carnival Radiance and we're here in Ensenada, Mexico.
We're going to take you on a walk through the cruise port area so you can see what it's like when you arrive. Shops, signs, souvenirs, and some local vibes right off the ship. And then we're heading out to track down something we've definitely been looking forward to.
Authentic Mexican tacos.
So stick around, make sure you're subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you love cruising, travel, and of course, tacos.
And don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss any of our adventures.
Another day, another adventure. When you get off the cruise ship, this is what you are going to see. Lots of photo ops right here. This is the Carnival side. You'll see the Royal side in just a minute for the Royal Caribbean ships. But yeah, they've got lots of photo ops here. This is also where you'll meet up if you have an excursion. Sometimes it's on the ship. Most of the time it's down here at the port, and they'll have people holding up different signs, and you'll just look for yours. It's got your excursion listed on it. You pass through security and you are free to explore.
Free to find tacos. Out here, once you get outside the gate, this is where you'll see like the shuttle buses, transportation to take you over into town, which it is walkable, and that's what we're going to show you guys, that what you can do in Ensenada without actually booking an excursion.
There's Royal over there. Ovation of the Seas. She just started sailing the Mexico cruise.
Yeah, we've done Ovation of the Seas in our Alaska cruise. Beautiful ship, beautiful.
And we'll be on her for this cruise as well. Well, Shug's feeling lazy today. Well, maybe
I would save my energy for after those tacos.
Yeah, so you can get on a bus right here at the port. It's $4 a person round trip. That's the easy way.
Save that walking. And again, here's what the shuttle service looks like. So we'll ask the driver. Hi, over into the shuttle.
Good. You guys can go.
Okay.
I remember those days.
It's probably a two-person thing. It's definitely not.
All right, get us a seat and the air condition.
All right, we are on the shuttle bus. It's air conditioned, although it's not hot outside. But I guess if it was, it would feel good. It still feels good. She probably don't like it.
It's a little cold on here, but I'll take it. I could have had that on tape.
Don't hit me because I like it. All right, so my name is Gabriel. Everybody say it.
Gabriel.
Hurry. Gabriel means Gabriel. Okay, that's my name. Now, welcome to Ensenada. Bienvenidos. Are you on vacation?
Yes.
How is everybody doing?
Good.
Beautiful.
All right, let's do that again because y'all don't seem on vacation. How are y'all doing? Good.
Now that we met you, amazing.
Good.
There's our first animal sighting in Ensenada. A frog.
No photo up for you on that one.
That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so welcome to Ensenada. This shuttle service is part of the company called Las Dunas, where I work at. Where are you from? Virginia. Oh, really? I'm from West Virginia. Charleston, West Virginia. Over in Kanawha County. I don't have much of an accent because I grew up on this side. But anyways, where are you from?
California.
What part?
Long Beach.
You got a joke. By the way, you're only 4 hours from LA right now.
Wow, that seems kind of weird.
4 hours from LA, 1 hour from San Diego.
Oh, wow.
Y'all took like 2 days to get here. Anyways, at the company, we also have other tours. If any of you want to do ATVs, you can rent out ATVs. If you guys want to do zip lining, you can do zip lining. If you guys want to go pet a baby tiger, cheetah, or lion cub, you can. It's called the Pai Pai Tour. It's an animal park, and you get to go do that and have a close experience with different animals.
All right, guys, we just got off our round trip shuttle bus for $4, and it drops you off over here. Okay, so here's where people are checking in also for the Pai Pai.
Or La Bufadora.
Or La Bufadora. So you can check in for excursions over here also.
So that's where you get your tickets up there. Pai Pai is $65 a person. That takes you out there, gets you into Pai Pai, which is a zoo. And it also gives you an animal interaction. How much was it online, Shug?
It was $109 online.
Per person.
Per person.
Per person, yeah. So he said $65, $68 here. So man, that's almost half price. You guys remember those clackers that she was just doing? You guys probably heard them. I remember having those when I was a kid.
I used to tear myself up with that.
Yeah. Of course, Shug can't pass up on a photo video op. Pueblo Antiguo.
Oh, look at the burglar up on the wall. Can you guys see him? Okay, y'all, it is a whole vibe over here.
And another photo op.
Definitely. I see like 4 more photo ops, guys, so I'm definitely going to hit them all.
All right.
Okay, look at the candy, guys. If y'all got a sweet tooth, you better stop over here because it looks good. They got some churros there. Lots of souvenir shops. Oh, do we see dolphins? I don't know. You see the dolphins up there?
Yeah, we see the dolphins.
I'm coming.
Okay. All right.
That's a big chair.
And I'm gonna climb it.
Oh, shoot.
Now y'all know it.
She's queen of the world. Oh, shoot. It's a PG channel, Shug. It's a big step down.
Yeah.
Live at you.
Let's see.
She looks kind of
All right, I think Alan met somebody. I better watch out. She got a drill in her hand.
She looks kind of manly.
That's a big girl. Okay, they got jewelry over here.
Get your jewelry.
Yes, got jewelry. All the souvenirs you can think about.
I'm not seeing Miami Dolphins anywhere.
I know.
Kansas City, Pittsburgh. All right, Shug, you think you gotta get some tacos?
I think it's time for some tacos. What you guys think? Time to see Shug eat some tacos? All right, you see they're advertising the Pai Pai Zoo. It's actually already open, so this is something that a lot of people don't know about, but if you've been to La Bufadora, you used to could go in and have interaction with the animals in there, and then they stopped it, and now they have their own little park for the animals. All right, guys, we're in Ensenada.
And if you want to dare the crossing of the street, there's a Ensenada sign over there. Good photo op. Although, well, there's a stoplight over there. I guess you could
I don't know,
go
it still looks a little suspect.
Little suspect, little questionable.
All right, guys, we are on the streets. We're taking a risk.
This is outside the little shopping area. I'm sure there's little stores and stuff around here. We're not going to walk around this part too much.
No, we just want to show you guys, though, you can come out of the cruise port walking or catch the shuttle.
Yeah, and a good photo op, and there's a stoplight behind us, so you could cross the street to get over to that sign if you want to take a a photo of it. When we come back, we'll show you there's another Ensenada sign over there by the cruise ship. Another photo op. There's usually a lot of people there. There's nobody at this one.
Over there.
But yeah, so all right, is it time to get some tacos?
It's time for tacos. I think we said that twice, guys, so let's go get it.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna get 2 chicken tacos and 2 carne asada tacos. Everything on the chicken tacos, on the asada, just onion and cilantro. And yeah, it's hot sauce. Look, I'm laughing because it say don't ask is it hot, but seriously, is it? All right, let's see what these tacos do over here, because I was in that line for about 15 minutes.
Good Lord, looks good. Chicken tacos, guacamole, cilantro, onions. It's going down.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna go back for mine.
All right, Shug, what you come back with?
Okay, let me stop. I got 2 carne asada tacos with just onion and cilantro. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. This is our first time eating here, so I'll let you know.
They smell good.
Yeah, they do smell good.
She's going in. It must be an intermission for the music.
For the music,
They're
which is good.
They're playing some good music. And just catch us a copyright.
Right, make me want to get up and dance.
Oh, she's gonna jump up on the table.
They're good, guys. Sorry, I'm gonna chew with my mouth open.
She's got onions hanging out of her teeth.
Oh, yeah.
No. What's the verdict on that?
It was good, guys. I'm gonna say 4 shugs for the carne asada tacos. You know, I'm a fat-free person. It had a little bit of fat in there, but the tacos are still good. Could have used a little bit more seasoning, but I'm still gonna say 4 because Shug has the real drink of the champions.
Oh, God.
So yeah, so 4 shugs.
All right. Okay, that was good. I love my chicken grilled, and it was grilled. I hate it when my chicken's boiled. So yeah, it was tasty. Like Shug said, there was a little bit of gristle on there, and not a lot of flavor. Like I put some paste on there, but needed some more flavor to it. So I'd give it 3 Allens out of 5.
3 Allens, guys. All right, here's the ticket booth we were telling you guys about. Once you catch the $4 shuttle over here, you can buy tour tickets. I'm gonna come a little closer. So you have ATVs, and you can pause that for a few minutes and you can see the pricing. And then you also have your blowhole shopping experience, zip line, Pai Zoo, horseback riding, if I didn't say that already. So just make sure that you pause this so you can see the prices of anything you're interested in. All right, guys, so in here, a big one, cash only. Thank you. So make sure you come with cash if you want to book any of those excursions. We're making our way back to the cruise port. We just gave the gentleman our round trip ticket and drops us right off back in front of the ship. No worries. That's where you say, where's the easy button? Oh, there's our McDonald's.
Is that the one we went to?
Yep.
All right, we just got off the bus. That was a quick ride.
Yes.
What, maybe 8,
4.
9?
You
about to say 4 minutes.
I was going to say 4. 6, in between 8, 6 minutes.
Okay.
And that's
8
what the
minutes.
bus looked like. There's one of them in the background for us, so that you guys know.
Okay, yeah, stoplights and all. I mean, you could technically walk there if you wanted to. We weren't feeling that energetic, but yeah, it's not a really long walk. So we're back to port. We're going to show you here the other photo op, the Ensenada sign, which we have in other videos that you can see, but we'll show it to you so you can do that as a photo op as well, if you're a photo op person like this girl.
Yes.
So this is what it looks like when you come back. There's Ovation of the Seas, Royal Caribbean over there. And then you got Carnival over here, in this case, Carnival Radiance. And then security to go back through.
And then you have Shug.
Shug's making a break for it.
I'm back.
You're back again. Right over here is that famous Ensenada sign. If you want to get a photo op, if you can find somebody to take a picture for you, usually, you know, you take a picture for someone, they take a picture for you, or you can do a selfie. That's it right there with the Carnival ship in the background. It's a good picture, good photo op. All right, Shug, you're ready to go back on, and it's still lunchtime. I only had 2 tacos, 2 little baby tacos.
Yeah, that was just a little tease taster for us.
I need a Shaq's chicken sandwich.
When you see these bright yellow buildings, well, would you call it yellow or gold?
I'd call it yellowish orange, really.
Okay, so this is where you'll come through to get back on Carnival ship. Whatever ship you guys sail on. Royal usually park across the way. And then you have some bathrooms here. So that's good. Use the bathroom. Check yourself out in the mirror.
All right, guys, that was a quick little trip to a little shopping area.
Yeah, some tacos.
Yeah, cheap, $4 a person, round trip.
You
They
can't
don't-
beat that.
They don't get any cheaper than that. So if you're not taking an excursion, and again, you can walk in a different direction, and there's also some little shopping and stuff, but that was pretty cool. The atmosphere was cool.
It was popping.
The tacos were meh.
Meh. They were meh meh.
They were meh meh.
Yeah.
The chicken was grilled. That's cool. So they weren't bad by
Yeah, they weren't. Yeah.
any sense. Yeah, they just, you know, Lydia's tacos over there by La Bufadora, their tacos are better when they got chicken, because sometimes they don't have chicken.
Yeah, that's true. So see.
All right, so if you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments below. We
Yes.
will do our best to answer those. We don't forget, if you're not subscribed,
Yes.
make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit the like button. We want to thank all of our members, including Victoria Jackson, and we will see you guys on our next adventure.
Bye.
Bye, guys.